September 12, 2014, a 66-year-old man was rushed to the hospital due to severe chest pain and sought medical care. His family was extremely concerned. After hours of diagnosis, the doctor came out with the reports. The doctors said that the old man had a cardiovascular disease known as myocardial infarction. The family was shocked as he had no medical history related to his heart, cardiac arrest. It is one of those scary things that can strike without a warning and leave us feeling helpless. But worry not, we've got some good news and a solution that can help ease your fears. Want to know what the solution is? Avocados. Yes, those hard, mysterious pits we usually toss away in our garbage bins. But guess what? They're packed with a lot of benefits that can help you tackle those scary diseases. So let's crack open the facts and see why you might want to think twice before throwing them away. First things first, let us talk about the avocado itself. Avocados, often called nature's butter, are not only creamy and delicious but also a nutritional powerhouse. They are loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, potassium, and vitamins like K, E, and C, and several other vitamins. This fruit is added as a must in a lot of foods. It is a favorite in salads, smoothies, toasts, and even desserts. But while we're all busy enjoying that luscious green goodness, we forget about the little seeds sitting at the center. These seeds often end up in the trash, but they are far from full of nutrients and compounds that can benefit your health in several ways. Sounds intriguing, right? Let us break it down for you. So what's inside an avocado seed? Number 1. Antioxidants. Avocado seeds are little warriors that help combat the free radicals produced in the body due to oxidation. These free radicals can cause cell damage and contribute to various diseases. Number 2. Fibers. Avocado seeds are rich in soluble fiber, which is great for digestion and can help lower cholesterol levels. Number 3. Phenolic compounds. These include flavonoids and tannins known for anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. And at last, we have our healthy fats. Similar to the fruit itself, the seeds contain beneficial fats. So, avocado seeds are not just hard rocks inside a delicious fruit, they're nutrient gold mines. But you don't have to take our word for it, because science proves it all. A study published in the Journal of Food Science showed that avocado seeds have more antioxidant activity than the fruit itself. Researchers found that these seeds are rich in phenolic compounds like flavonoids, as we saw earlier, which helps reduce inflammation and prevent microbial infections. Another study in the Journal of Food Chemistry highlighted the seed's potential in lowering cholesterol. Impressive, isn't it? But you may ask now, about what types of diseases will it help you with? The first and foremost stands the scary heart diseases. As we discussed earlier, these seeds are loaded with soluble fiber, which can help you lower bad cholesterol levels. High cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease. The old man we talked about earlier had myocardial infarction, which is one of the most dangerous cardiovascular diseases, which occurs due to blockage in the flow of blood. And most of the time, this blockage is caused due to the bad cholesterol present in our bodies. So adding a bit of avocado seed powder to your smoothie might just give your heart that extra boost it needs. Next up, let's talk about diabetes, one of the most discussed diseases of all time. Blood sugar spikes can be a real downer, but fear not. Avocado seeds to the rescue. These seeds contain compounds that can help regulate blood sugar levels. According to research in the Journal of Plant Foods for Human Nutrition, the fiber in avocado seeds slows down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream, helping to keep those blood sugar levels steady. Now let's tackle some digestive problems that more than half of the world population suffer from. We all know that fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system, and avocado seeds are packed with it. The soluble fiber in these seeds acts like a sponge, absorbing water and adding bulk to your stool. This can help prevent constipation and keep your digestive system running smoothly. Plus, the antioxidants in the seeds can help reduce inflammation in the gut, which is great news for people with digestive disorders like this. Now, let's talk about a big one: cancer. While avocado seeds are not the cure, they do contain antioxidants like flavonoids and tannins, which have anti-cancer properties. A research study highlighted that these compounds can help inhibit the growth of cancer cells and induce apoptosis, which is nothing but a fancy term for programmed cell death. Lastly, let's talk about inflammation and arthritis. Chronic inflammation can lead to a host of health issues, including arthritis. The anti-inflammatory properties of avocado seeds can help reduce pain and swelling of the joints. A study in the Journal of Phytotherapy Research found that the polyphenols in avocado seeds can help lower markers of inflammation. According to a recent study, eating avocado may help lower your chance of having a heart attack, particularly if you substitute it for fatty foods like butter, cheese, or bacon. Over the course of 3 decades, the study followed 68,786 women and 41,710 men who answered dietary questionnaires every 4 years. When they enrolled in the trial, none of them had a history of heart disease or stroke. By the time the follow-up period ended, around 11% of the men and 16% of the women had either experienced or lost their lives to a heart attack or stroke. The Journal of the American Heart Association published a study that found those who had at least 2 servings of avocado per week, or 1 whole avocado, had a 21% lower risk of having a heart attack than those who ate it infrequently or never at all. Although no one food is the solution to routinely eating a healthy diet, this study is evidence that avocados have possible health benefits. Cheryl Anderson, PhD, MPH, a professor and dean of the Herbert Wertheim School of Public Health and Human Longevity Science at University of California, San Diego, said in a statement. According to the study, cutting half a serving of processed meats like bacon, butter, eggs, yogurt, cheese, or margarine each day to half a serving of avocado could lower the risk of heart attacks and other cardiovascular disease events by 16 to 22%. During the 30-year study period, average weekly avocado consumption doubled from 0.1 to 0.2 weekly servings for women and 0.2 to 0.4 servings for males. There you have it, these tiny superheroes have it all. From heart disease to diabetes management, digestive support, cancer prevention, and whatnot. Now, you might be wondering, how on earth do I eat these seeds? Great question. First, you need to dry the seeds. After scooping them out, let them sit in a sunny spot for a few days until they're completely dry. Next, remove the thin brown skin. Once that's done, you can either grate or blend them into a fine powder. Here are some fun ways to use avocado seed powder. In smoothies. Add a teaspoon of the powder to your favorite smoothie. It gives a slight nutty flavor and an extra health boost. Tea. Boil the grated seed in water for about 10 minutes. Strain and enjoy a warm, nutritious tea. Baking. Mix the powder into your baked goods for an added nutritional punch. Remember, a little goes a long way. But before you start blending seeds like there's no tomorrow, let's talk about the potential downsides. Like everything in life, moderation is key. Consuming too much avocado seed can lead to some issues. The seeds contain certain compounds that, in high amounts, can be toxic. First off, avocado seeds contain small amounts of persin, a fungicidal toxin. In large quantities, persin can cause stomach upset, vomiting, and diarrhea. Not the kind of cleanse you were hoping for, right? Another thing to watch out for is the high fiber content. While fiber is great for digestion in moderation, too much can lead to gastrointestinal issues like bloating, gas, and even constipation. Some studies also suggest that excessive consumption could potentially interfere with nutrient absorption. This means your body might not get all the goodness from the other healthy foods you eat. Additionally, if you're obese or have certain medical conditions, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional before adding avocado seeds to your diet. The compounds in the seeds can interact with medications or exacerbate certain health conditions. So remember, moderation is key. Enjoy the benefits of avocado seeds, but don't overdo it. As always, consult your healthcare provider before making any major changes to your diet. The old man that we were talking about earlier could have avoided it. People like him can avoid it all. After medical assessment, he was diagnosed with acute myocardial infarction. This patient had some risk factors that contributed to the development of coronary artery disease: age, male gender, hypertension, and smoking. What's the takeaway? Avocado seeds can be a fantastic addition to your diet in moderation. They offer several health benefits, from boosting antioxidant intake to improving digestion. However, it's crucial to be mindful of the quantity you consume and consider your individual health circumstances. Avocado seeds are more than just the pits. They're a treasure trove of nutrients waiting to be unlocked. So, next time you enjoy an avocado, think twice before tossing that seed. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious and healthy tips. Until next time, stay healthy and stay curious.